Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the setup database in our Laravel project. So first of all, I am just going to make the configuration. So for that, switch to the project and go to the config folder, and inside the config folder, you can see database.php. Okay, this is the configuration file for the database. So click here and inside the database PHP you can see there are so many configuration here regarding to database. Okay, but you will see that there is an array of MySQL. Okay, you can see here. All right, and here you can see configuration is coming from env method. So you can see here env database URL, database host, port, and db database, db username, and db password. Okay, you don't have to put the database name directly. Okay, we can put here also directly, but this is not for the standard of the Laravel. So we have to put inside the configuration in env file. So where we find the env file, we will find the env file in a root directory. So just click go to the root directory, and here is the .env file. Just click on it. Okay, now you can find here db connection, db host, db port, db database, db username, and db password. Okay, all right. So I am just going to here my database name. So just create a database. So go to the browser, and in browser just type here localhost php myadmin. Okay, press enter. Now click on database, type your database name. Let's say database name is Laravel DB Pro DB. Okay, just copy this name. Okay, now click on create. All right, now switch to the project, and here db underscore database, just paste here the database name, username is root, and password blank. Okay, now save the file. All right, now after making changes in .env file, we must have to restart our application. So for that, just switch to the command prompt, and inside the command prompt just click here Ctrl+C. Okay, it will stop the process, and now type here php artisan serve. Okay, now press enter. All right, now we have to make the controller and their routes. Okay, so I am just going to make a controller with the php artisan command. If you don't know about how controller actually works and how actually router work, then you can watch my previous video. Link is given inside the description box. All right, for creating the controller, switch to the command prompt. This is another command prompt, and here just type php artisan make controller, and controller name, let's say controller name is post controller. Okay, now press enter. Now switch to the project and just close the .env file. Go to the app, http controller, and click on post controller. Inside the controller, just click here and create a method. Okay, Before the creating the function, just create a table inside the database. So switch to the PHP MyAdmin, and here uh, just type here table name. Let's say table name is post. Okay, number of column 3, and click on go. Okay, and just type here column name. First column name is id, data type int, length 10, and just click on auto increment. Now click on go. Second column is title, data type varchar, length let's say 200, and third column is body. Okay, and data type text. Now click on save. Alright, the table is created. Now create some post here. For that, just click on insert and type here title. Let's say title is first post title. Okay, and here is your first post description. Okay, now click on go. Insert one more post. Click on insert and just type here second post title. Okay, and here type second. Here is second post description. Okay, alright, now click on go. Now switch to the project, and inside the post controller just create a method for fetch the post from the database. Okay, so here I am going to use db to perform database operation. Laravel's database query builder provides a convenient fluent interface to create and running database queries. It can be used to perform most database operation in our application, and works on all supported database system. Alright, so just type here for using db, just type here use illuminate. Okay, and after that support /facad/db. Okay, now terminate with semicolon. Alright, now create a function. So type here public function, and function name, let's say function name is get all post. Okay, curly bracket start and close. Inside the get all post method, just type here post is equal to db and table, and type here table name. Table name is post. Okay, so just click here and type here post, and here arrow sign get method. Okay, it will fetch all posts record from post table, and just return here view and type here view name, which is posts, and inside the array pass the post. Okay, so type here posts and $posts. Okay, now save the file. Okay, all right, And now create the post view. Go to the resource folder, click on view, and here click right button, new file. View name is posts.blade.php. Okay, enter. Alright, now open the file. Inside the file, show here all the posts. So type here, just type here heading all posts. Alright, and here I am just using for each for getting each post. Just type here posts as post. Okay, inside the for each and inside the h3 tag, just type here double curly bracket. Inside the double curly bracket, type post arrow title. Alright, and in this way, just type here paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag, just type curly bracket, and here post body. Okay, now save the file. Alright, now create the routes for this. So go to the route folder and web.php file, and here just create a route. So type here route get, and here URI, which is posts. Okay, and type here controller name, which is a post controller, @ method name. Which method name? Now go to the post controller and just copy this method from here, and web.php paste here. Okay, inside the single quote, remove this. Okay, now terminate with semicolon. Just save the file. Alright, now let's check this. So for that, switch to the browser and go to our project and just type here posts. Now press enter. You can see here post. Okay, with their title and their description. Alright, so just create another post. Go to the phpMyAdmin and click on insert, and just create a new third post. Write here third post title, and just type here is third post description. Okay, now click on go. Now switch to this URL and just refresh this. You can see here third post. Okay, so in this way you can configure a database inside your Laravel project. So that's all about database configuration in Laravel. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.